Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on the 2013 Lincoln MKX.
There's like a bungee over here.
So take out everything out of your glove box.
Snap this down. Okay, just push that down and out.
Okay. And then push in on the sides. There you go. All right guys, so the air filter's inside here. You need to remove this cover. In order to do that, you need to push this and pull out. So let's see if I could get it. You're gonna need two hands to do it. So push in, pull it out, and then it comes out of here. Okay. Your filter's inside here. You're gonna pull it out. Now he already replaced it, so this one's brand new. So there you go. Now when you put this in, make sure the airflow arrow is facing down. So you're gonna just get your new one and just put it right back in. So get in there. Like that. Then you put your cover. You're gonna slide it onto this side first, like that, and click it in place. That's it. All right, guys, so take that cord, pull it out, and then push the glove box up and stick it in the hole there again. And then you're gonna click it in place. Then you push the sides again. You really don't even have to push the sides, it just goes right up. That's it.
This one has to be pushed.
Put all your crap back in there. All right, guys, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.